Hello students, in this session we are going to have quick revision on CA final costing theory based on our packet size book. Small book. We'll have the quick revision on post examination important questions theory part for strategic cost management and performance evaluation, new syllabus final costing theory. Shall we have? So this session is more useful for direct theory questions as well as for case studies question. We'll start. 6 stages in implementation of target costing. Create a project charter, obtain budget, obtain management sponsor, assign strong team manager, enroll full-time participant, use project management tools. These are all the 6 stages with respect to implementation of target costing. Next question. 3 control points in target costing. Answer is principal control point, point of go or non-go decision, and timer point. 6 business functions in value chain analysis. Research and development, design, production, marketing, distribution, and customer service. 2 types of activities in VCA, value chain analysis. Primary activity and supporting activities. 2 ways of competitive advantages, low cost advantage and differentiation advantage. Competitive advantage is a frequently asked question in case study based problems. 3 approaches are assessing competitive advantages: internal cost analysis, internal differentiation analysis, vertical linkage analysis. Then 3 strategic frameworks of VCA: industrial structure analysis, core competence analysis, and segmentation analysis. 2 cost drivers in VCA, value chain analysis: structural cost driver and executional cost driver. It's a commonly committed mistake from the student side. Cost driver is available in activity based costing also, as well as value chain analysis also. This question, 2 types of cost driver in value chain analysis. What are all they? Structural cost driver and executional cost driver. Whereas 2 types of cost driver in ABC, activity based costing: resource cost driver and activity cost driver. 2 types of activities in VCA: value added cost and non-value added cost. 2 types of cost in VCA: value added cost and non-value added cost. 5 force analysis of profit, which influence 5 force analysis of Porter, which influence the profit. Bargaining power of buyer, bargaining power of supplier, threat of substitute product, threat of new entrants, intensity of competition. These are all the 5 factors. 4 phases in product life cycle: introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. 11 stages in product cycle: market research, specification, designing, prototype, manufacturing, development, tooling. I'll repeat once again: market research, specification, designing, prototype manufacturing, development, tooling, manufacturing, selling, distribution, product support, and decommissioning. Dear student, this question also commonly committed mistake in examination. One is phases in product life cycle, another one is stages in product life cycle. They used to interchange the answer, students and all. Mere product life cycle alone is not important. Whether stages or phases you have to identify. So I'll repeat once again: 4 phases are there, 11 stages are there. Okay. So 4 phases in product life cycle: introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. 11 stages in product life cycle: market research, specification, designing, prototype manufacture, development, tooling, manufacturing, selling, distribution, product support, and decommissioning. 2 common pitfalls in relevant costing. Common pitfalls: all variable costs are relevant and all fixed costs are irrelevant. 4 types of hierarchy in APC. Hierarchy also called 4 type of activities in APC: unit level activity, batch level activity, product level activity, and facility level activity. Three key elements of ABB. What is ABB? Activity-based budget. Three key elements of ABB. Types of work, quality of work, and cost of work. Four roles of JIT to eliminate wastage of resources. Reduction in inventory level, reduction in wastage of time, reduction in scrap rate, and reduction in overhead cost. Four roles of JIT in time reduction: storage time, inspection time, handling time, and queue time. 5 stages in benchmarking: planning, collection of data, analyzing, recommendation, and reviewing. 6 types of benchmarking: competitive benchmarking, strategic benchmarking, global benchmarking, process benchmarking, internal benchmarking, and external benchmarking. Then 7 code of conduct in benchmarking: principle of legality, principle of exchange, principle of confidentiality, principle of third party contract, principle of preparation, principle of usage. 4 prerequisites for benchmarking: support from top management, clarity in scope of work, availability of sufficient resources, communication to stakeholders. 3 key measures of theory of constraint: throughput contribution, operating cost, and investment. 4 perspectives of balanced scorecard. This is a very famous question with respect to case study. Customer perspective, internal business perspective, innovation perspective, and financial perspective. 4 benefits of DPP. What is DPP? Direct product profitability. 4 benefits: better cost analysis, better pricing decision, better management of store space, and rationalization of product range. 4 categories of indirect cost under DPP: overhead, volume related cost, product batch cost, and inventory finance. 3 core concepts of TQM: quality control, quality assurance, and quality management. 4 types of quality cost: prevention cost, appraisal cost, internal failure cost, and external failure cost. Prevention and appraisal cost are called conformance cost. Internal failure and external failures are called non-conformance cost. Therefore, quality cost broadly classified into 2 types: conformance cost and non-conformance cost. Under conformance cost, prevention and appraisal cost will come. Non-conformance cost, internal failure and external failure cost will come. 9 dimensions of TQM: features, conformance, aesthetics, durability, performance, reliability, response, reputation, and services. 8 stages in TQM: identification of customer, expectation of customer, decision making, problem, benchmarking, feedback, implementation, and improvement. Price analysis: in this price represent problem, ranking the problem, analyzing, innovation, solution, and evaluation. Any 4 inclusions in Deming point? 14 Deming points are the famous question. Any 4 inclusions in Deming point? One is create consistency towards improvement, adopt new philosophy, move towards single supplier, and institute leadership. Similarly, any 3 exclusions of Deming point? Cease dependent on inspection, remove barriers to pride of workmanship, drive out fear. Then 4 stages in Shewhart cycle. Shewhart cycle also called Deming wheel, okay, or PDCA cycle or PDSCA cycle, all same name only, okay. 4 stages in Shewhart cycle. One is plan, do, check, and act. 4 stages: plan, do, check, and act, also called plan, do, study, and act. Check also called study. That's why PDCA cycle or PDSCA cycle. 6 essential requirements of TQM: commitment, culture, control, cooperation, continuous improvement, and customer focus. 4 fundamental principles of TQM: people, process, problem, and preparation. The 2 questions are popularly called 6 C's and 4 P's. 4 P's represent 4 fundamental principles. 6 C's represent 6 essential requirements. Then 4 main utilities of transfer pricing: performance evaluation, employee engagement and compensation, resource allocation, taxation and profit remittance. Three methods of transfer pricing: cost-based transfer pricing, market price-based transfer pricing, and negotiated transfer pricing. Five types of cost-based transfer pricing: variable manufacturing cost, actual manufacturing cost, full cost, and standard full cost, standard cost, and cost plus markup. Two proposal for removing conflict in transfer pricing. One is dual rate transfer pricing and two-part transfer pricing. Two drawbacks of dual rate transfer pricing: it can complicate the records. Another one is profit shown by the division or not, or artificial, it's not a real profit. Then four different market structure in pricing decision: monopoly market, monopolistic market, oligopoly market, and perfect market. Four pricing strategy of oligopoly market: predatory pricing, entry for stealing pricing, that is limited pricing strategy. Third one is cost plus pricing and non-pricing strategy. Four ways of price customization. Price customization based on product line, based on customer behavior, based on geography and basic demography, and based on time differentials. 9 factors for price sensitivity: unique value effort, substitute awareness effort, difficult comparison effort, total expenditure effort, end benefit effort, shared cost effort, sunk investment effort, price quality effort, and inventory effort. These are all 9 factors for price sensitivity. Three different pricing methods: competition based pricing, cost based pricing, and value based pricing. Then two different value based pricing methods: object value or TEV, true economic value, and perceived value. Three categories of new product in strategic pricing: one is revolutionary product, second one evolutionary product, third one me too product. Three circumstance penetrating pricing can be adopted. One is demand of the product is elastic to the price. Second one, substantial savings on large scale production. Third one, threat of competition. Five types of price adjustment policy: customer distributors discount, quality discount, cash discount, price discrimination, and geographic price. Two types of competitive pricing: going rate pricing and sealed bid pricing. Two types of market entry pricing strategy: skimming pricing strategy and penetrating pricing strategy. Four types of price discrimination: based on customer, based on product, based on place, and based on time. Two types of pricing for non-cost reason: price discrimination and peak load pricing. Five methods of segregation of semi-real cost: graphical method, analytical method, high point, low point method, least square method, and comparison method. Two main non-cost factor for shutdown: interest of workers, competition, and depreciation. Three main non-cost factor for shutdown: interest of the worker, competition, and depreciation. Three methods of disposal of variance in standard costing. One is write off all the variance in costing P&L account. Second one, distribute the variance on pro rata basis to cost of sales, WIP, and finished goods. Third one, write off quantity variance to P&L account and price variance on pro rata basis. Three methods of accounting procedure in standard costing: partial plan, single plan, and dual plan. Threefold assumption in cost reduction: permanent savings in cost per unit, quality of the product remain unaffected. 7 circumstances it may be justifiable to fix the selling price below the marginal cost: perishable product, stock have been accumulated in large quantity, to boost the sale of another product, to popularize a new product, to capture foreign market, to avoid shutdown cost, and to capture prospective market. 12 major area of decision making in which differential costing is used: make or buy decision, whether to process further or not, dropping or adding a new product line, making the best use of an investment made, acceptance of additional order from a special customer at a lower price, opening a new sales territory, substitute tenders, lease or buy decision, equipment replacement decision, capital expenditure decision, sales mix decision, production planning. Especially for the new scheme, the 12 major areas based on that questions are there. That topic only called CVP analysis. Make or buy decision separate question is there. Okay, sales mix decision separate question is there. Acceptancing the order which is lower the current selling price separate question is there. So based on that they framed the questions that to what 10 to 12 more question in CVP analysis. So all the probability should be thorough. 5 limitations of zero based budgeting: availability of skilled labor, time consuming, costly, create various operational problems, required full support of top management. Then, two main advantages of beyond budgeting: more adaptive process than traditional budget, and a decentralized process. Two ways of cost plus markup transfer pricing, as a percentage of full cost or as a percentage of capital employed. 7 main disadvantages of treating division as a profit center. One is incremental profit of the transferring division is equal to incremental cost of the recipient division. It affects the cooperation between the division. It leads to lack of harmony, duplication of staff activity, top management loses the control, risk of mistake committed by the divisional managers, difficulty in identifying profit center. These are all the 7 disadvantages. Then, 4 main reasons for ABC. Production overheads are high in relation to direct cost, great diversity in product range, product uses a different amount of overhead resources, computation of overhead resources not primarily driven by volume. These are all 4 main reasons, also called needs of ABC. Why we need ABC? For that you have to write the 4 points. 4 main area where ABC is used as a decision making tool: TQM, product profitability decision, facility and resource expansion, and HR decision. 5 major applications of Pareto analysis. One is product pricing, second one CPA, customer profitability analysis, third one ABC analysis, fourth one activity based costing, and fifth one quality control. 4 major problems in backflushing. One is total production quantity must be absolutely correct. All abnormal scrap must be tracked. Lot tracing is difficult to maintain accurate set of inventory records. Then, 5 major constraints on throughput accounting: uncompetitive selling price, timely delivery of the product to the customer, lack of product quality, lack of reliable material supplier, shortage of production resources. 5 steps for Goldtort improving performance under throughput accounting: identification of bottleneck, explore the bottleneck and utilize fully, subordinate and synchronous to the bottleneck, evaluate the performance of the bottleneck, repeat the process as a new bottleneck emerges. 8 key process of supply chain management: customer relationship management, supplier relationship management, customer service management, demand management, order fulfillment, manufacturing flow management, product development and commercialization, and return management. These are all the 8 key process. 7 types of waste in lean system. What are all the wastage? Overproduction, inventory, waiting time, motion, transportation, rework from defect, and over processing. These are all the 7 wastage. Then 5 characteristics of lean manufacturing: zero waiting time, zero inventory, full process, continuous flow of production, reduction in process time. 5S phases. What is 5S? Sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. These are all the 5S. And one more S has been introduced in India, because 5S terminology has been borrowed from the Japan. So the 6 Cs in India is called safety. That is also you have to write in exam. Okay. Whenever 5 years come, extra 1 year in India is called what? Safety measurement. Safety. 4 stages in TPM. Total productive maintenance. One is preparation stage, introduction stage, implementation stage, and institutionalization stage. 8 pillars of TPM: autonomous maintenance, focused improvement, planned maintenance, early management, quality maintenance, education and training, office maintenance, safety and healthy environment. 3 goals of cellular manufacturing: to move as quick as possible, make a wide variety of similar product, making as little waste as possible. 2 methodology for implementation of Six Sigma: DMAIC and DMA-DV. 3 areas where process innovation gives new solution: production, delivery, and support service. 4 key components of BPR, business process reengineering: fundamental rethinking, radical design, achieving drastic improvement, end-to-end business process. 4 main stages of BPR: process identification, process rationalization, process reasonabling, and process redesigning. These are all the 4 main stages. 4 major area for application of EMA: product pricing, budgeting, investment appraisal, cost estimation, savings of environmental project. 4 types of environmental cost: conventional cost, hidden cost, contingent cost, and relationship cost. There are 3 different ways in which we can be in the position to classify the environmental cost. One of the way is the 4 types: conventional cost, hidden cost, contingent cost, and relationship cost. Then 4 management accounting technique for identification and allocation of environmental cost: input output analysis, flow cost analysis, life cycle costing, and ABC. 6 market model. What are the internal market, referral market, influenced market, recruitment market, suppliers markets, and customers market. 4 main supporting activities of value chain analysis: procurement, technology development, human resource management, and infrastructure. Whenever procurement comes, student immediately write it's a primary activity. But based on Porter's approach, based on value chain analysis, procurement will come under the supporting activity. That is more important. Okay, it's a very frequently question from case study based problems. 3 major groups of variance in standard costing: efficiency variance, price variance, and volume variance. 2 parts in 2-part transfer pricing: marginal cost plus transfer pricing, lump sum fixed cost plus transfer pricing. 2 ways of transfer pricing in dual rate system: variable cost plus opportunity cost, full cost plus markup. 5 benefits of ABM. What is ABM? Activity based management. It focuses on cost reduction, aids to implementation of activity based budget ABB, helps for clear understanding of business processing cost, helps management in decision making, helps to identify key resources. 5 advantages of target costing. One is aids to plan for production and marketing, enhance employee awareness and empowerment, partnership with the supplier, minimize non-value-added activity, helps to select low-cost value-added activity. Any 5 cost reduction techniques: value engineering, value analysis, time and motion study, job evaluation to merit rating, Kaizen costing. 2 conditions to be satisfied for relevant cost: occur in future, difference among the alternative action. 2 key risk in power sector, not 4 key risk in power sector: highly capital intensive, then longer operating period, inherent risk, cold supply position. These are all 4 key risks in power sector. 3 benefits of using ABC in agriculture sector: adjustable costing technique, faster and more accurate, enable detailed cost analysis. 4D frameworks in IT sector. 4Ds. What are they? Define organization vision, documentation of current status, delineation of target business architecture, decision with respect to buy or build. Four types of feedback: primary feedback, secondary feedback, negative feedback, and positive feedback. Two categories of organizational structure for performance appraisal in RA. What is RA? Responsibility accounting. Performance appraisal in two ways. One is functional organizational structure. Another one is divisionalized organizational structure. Three dimension in triple bottom line: environmental bottom line, social bottom line, economic bottom line. Most important question for case study based one. Okay, environmental bottom line also called planet, social bottom line also called people, economic bottom line also called profit. Then 5 phases in performance prism: stakeholder satisfaction, stakeholders contribution, strategy, process, and capability. This is also very famous question for case studies. 4 key challenges for measuring performance in not for the profit organization. Most important question. Benefits cannot be quantified. Benefit may occur over a longer period of time. Measurement of utilization of fund. Multiple objective. Then, so for all sub points only are reading, am I right? The main points will be there in the full-fledged textbook. I have shown this book as a packet size book. It's a full-fledged textbook, LMR book, last minute revision book. This book is more than sufficient. The explanation for all the sub points will be there, including other practical problems, case studies, everything. It's a full-fledged textbook for you. But examination purpose, you have to recollect all the points. Keep on revise the video so that you can be able to recollect at least once in a day. If you are going to recollect, you can able to retain all the points. Okay, because in examination you have to revise the points also. You have to retain all the points also. Then 4 key challenges for not for the profit organization. Most important question. Next question: 3 E's in VFM framework. That is also more important question. That is also form part of not for the profit organization. What are all the 3 E's? Effectiveness, efficiency, and economy. Then 4 categories of responsibility center: cost center, profit center, investment center, and revenue center. 7 limitations of traditional cost management system. One is excess focus on cost reduction, does not look at the external factors, rely on accounting record, not dynamic, limited focus on improvisation, reactive approach, it's a short-term outlook. These are all the limitations with respect to traditional costing system. 4 stages in supply chain management. 4 stages in what? Strategic cost management. Formulation, communication, implementation, and control. 3 components of strategic cost management: value chain analysis, cost driver analysis, and strategic positioning analysis. 3 factors that affect the strategic position analysis: external environment, organization's value, culture and system, and internal environment. 2 different ways of measuring divisional performance. One is pure financial measurement, another one is other measurements. Under pure financial measurement, 4 things are there: measurement by way of ROI, return on investment, RI, residual income, EVA, economic value added, and SVA, shareholders value added. These are all the pure financial measurement: ROI, RI, EVA, and SVA. Other measurements are also there. In that other measurements, there are 5 techniques are there: performance pyramid, performance prism, building block method, triple bottom line, and balance scorecard. Out of 5, the 4 things are most important for case study purpose. What are all they? Performance prism is important, building block method is important, triple bottom line is important, and the balance scorecard. These 4 things are more important for case study purpose. Then 8 major problems in performance measures. What are all they? Tunnel vision, sub-optimization, myopia, ossification, irrelevance, gamming, misrepresentation, and misinterpretation. These are all the 8 problems. 2 main problems relating to profit focused on EVA, profits ignored in cost of equity, and profits calculated on the basis of accounting standard. 7 value drivers which affects SVA, shareholders value added. One is rate of sales growth, operating profit margin, income tax rate, investment in working capital, fixed capital investment, cost of capital, and life of the project. Then, three categories of building block method. Important question. Standard, rewards, and dimension. Standards, rewards, and dimension. With respect to standards, how to measure the standard? Three different ways are that to measure the standard. Three measures used in standard in building block method is equity, achievable, and ownership. Same manner, three measures used for the purpose of reward in building block method: motivation, clear, and controllability. 5 areas where environmental cost can be controlled: water consumption, raw material wastage, energy, transport and travel, and consumables and raw material. Three reasons for controlling environmental cost. One is carbon footprint. Second one, environmental costs are becoming huge, increasing government regulation. Three advantages of environmental cost: improving revenue, cost reduction, and improving company's image also. Two types of supply chain: push model and pull model, upstream and downstream model. Two segments in upstream model: supply relationship management, use of information technology. Four things to be considered in SRM, supply relationship management: source of supply, number of suppliers, cost, quality, and speed of delivery, make or buy option. Three types of e-procurement: e-sourcing, e-purchasing, and e-payment. Two important aims of relationship marketing: to keep the existing customer and to attract new customer. Three important things in CRM. What is CRM? Customer relationship management. Relationship with the customer, assisting in customer retention, and driving sales growth. Then 5 steps in CAP, customer account profitability. Analyze the customers based on, split it into the segment. Calculate the annual revenues earned from the customer. Calculate the annual cost of savings in the from the segment. Identify and retain the quality customer and eliminate the unprofitable segment customer. Two main reason for contracting out. What is contracting out? Contracting out, outsourcing is called contracting out. Especially for the new scheme, many alternative names are there, terminologies are there. You should be thorough with respect to alternative terminology also. That I have given in my book itself, in my LMR book. What are all the alternative terminologies are there? So based on the tested question we have, instead of asking outsourcing, if they are going to ask contracting out, you should not get the confusion. Okay. What are the two main reasons for contracting out? One is to reduce the cost, another one is to improve the efficiency. What are the three advantages of outsourcing? Cost saving, free from investment, business flexibility. Three goals of TPM: zero defect, zero breakdown, and zero accident. Six big losses in OEE. One is overall equipment efficiency is called OEE. Yeah, what are the 6 losses? One is equipment failure, nothing but breakdown. Setup or adjustment, idling or mirroring stoppage, that is idling or minor stoppage, reduce speed, reduce yield, and quality defect and rework. These are all the 6 big losses. The 6 big losses we can classify into 3 categories. What are the 3 categories of losses in OEE? Time loss, speed loss, and quality loss. Time loss nothing but equipment failure, breakdown, and setup and adjustment is called time loss. Speed loss nothing but idling and minor stoppage, and reduced speed is called speed loss. And quality loss nothing but reduced yield and quality defect and rework comes under the quality loss. Then 6 primary focus on 6 Sigma: customer satisfaction, decision based on data driven fact, management improvement and process, proactive maintenance team, collaboration within the business, goal for perfection. These are all the 6 primary focuses. 4 benefits of Kanban card. Kanban card also important for your examination. It helps to reduce pile up of WIP stock, work in progress stock, multitasking by the employee, grouping of employee based on product, and it helps in continuous improvement of productivity. 8 steps involved in cultivation. that will come under the agricultural. Okay, crop selection, land preparation, seed selection, seed sowing, irrigation, crop growth, fertilizing and pest control, and harvesting. These are all the 8 steps involved in cultivation. Understood? So these are all the questions from the packet size book. Okay, it's a quick revision book. Keep on, you can revise. It's just like what mobile size book only. Am I right? Wherever you can go with the mobile mean. Definitely, you can be the person to carry with the small size book like Sloka book. Here, first half of the book only we read. The first half of the book, all the theory question, point-wise theory questions, and the second half of the question, formulas. What are all the formulas as well as charts which is relevant for the examination, that is also there. Okay, so for the this is a quick revision book only. Full-fledged book is called LMR book. Okay, it's a full-fledged textbook for you. Here all past exam question, RTP, MTP, including theory, case studies, everything we have covered. So always having the habit of quickly can revise the points. Number of revision is also equally important. Keep on listen the voice at least, so that you can be listen the video, so that you can be the person to what retain all the points. Okay, so wish you all the best. Retaining the points also equally important in examination. Number of points also equally important. Study well. Wish you all the best for the exam. Bye bye.